Greetings, my name is Professor West. In this module, you'll learn the writing process. There are 5 components to this process. Number 1, audience analysis. Number 2, planning. Number 3, drafting. Number 4, revising. And number 5, proofreading. In the audience analysis, you will need to study relevant aspects of the receiver. Number 2, planning. Determine purpose, content, and organization. Number 3, drafting. Compose a first draft. And number 4, revising. Edit for content, style, and correctness. And number 5, proofreading. Check for content, typographical errors, as well as formatting errors. In this module, again, you'll learn the writing process, so let's have fun.